Hey there, ice cream lover. Tired of store-bought gelato? Alright, let's dive right into making the best gelato you've ever tasted. First up, if you're using pistachio paste, we need to prepare it. Start by blanching your pistachio, and if you want to improve your recipes, I'll share a little secret with you. The blender I use is great for all kinds of dishes. It's the one that helps me achieve those delicious results. If you're interested, you'll find the link in the description. You'll be surprised by the difference. Next, let's make the gelato base. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of whole milk, 3/4 cup of heavy cream, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Now, it's time to add some flavor. If you're going for vanilla gelato, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once your mixture is flavored to perfection, strain it through a fine mesh strainer into a clean container. This step ensures a silky. If you have an ice cream maker, now's the time to use it. Pour the chilled mixture into the machine. For those without an ice cream maker, pour the chilled mixture into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish or a metal loaf pan. Cover it. Once your gelato has reached the perfect consistency, it's time to fold in the prepared pistachio paste, if you're using it. Finally, transfer your gelato to an airtight container and place it in the freezer to harden for at least 2 hours.
And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.